Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to explain about how to read a file character by character. See, in the last video I clearly explained how to open a text file in a read mode. Now how to read the data. See, once the file has been opened, this is the file, of course. As any name, just with the name, we created input.txt file, consider, which contains some information like A, B, C, D. Some information is there, consider. Now, how to read the data from the file, right? How to open the file? Of course, by creating the object of file reader class, we provided the path. So that we are collecting into a variable called fr. Fr is a variable, right? It is holding the address of the file and it is pointing to this one. This much already we discussed in the last video. Now, how to read the data from the file? Okay, here in file reader class, there is a method called read method and the return type is integer. So what it will do on success, right? If the character is there on success, it will read the character and the character corresponding ASCII value it will return. Suppose if it reaches end of the file, nothing is there to read the data from the file, right? It will return on failure. When it reaches end of the file, it returns -1 value. That's why return type is integer, either ASCII value or -1. Both are integers only. No? Now the question is, now we need to call the read method. Okay. If you call the read method one time, you will get the output is only one character. How can we read number of characters? First, we should know file consists how many characters. That how can we guess? It's impossible. If we don't know how many times we need to repeat the loop, then we must use while loop. Number of iterations, if you know, go with the for loop. If you don't know the number of iterations, we go with the while loop. So first I'm taking one variable int, some ch I'm taking. Variable name is your wish. I'm calling the read method on object fr dot read method. I'm calling. It will return the value integer that we are storing into ch. If the ch is not equal to -1, why? Suppose first it is reading small a. What is that small a ASCII value is 97. If it is not -1, that means character is there. 97 a is there. So come inside. It is printing that character. But please don't print directly. If you print like this, 97 will print. System.out. Use print, not print ln method. Use the print method and convert that ch into character, type conversion, and then print. So next B it will read is a 98 not equals to -1. C will read 99 and so on, is keep on reading. Finally, when it reaches the end, -1 will return. So by the time when you see -1 not equals to -1, condition fails, then it will stop. This is the simple way of reading the data from the file. Let me show you all these things practically. The continuation of the last class video, because we already discussed how to open the file. Input.txt file. Once the file has been opened, now we are reading the data from the file. Okay. Here we are reading like this. First we are taking one variable ch, repeating the while loop because as we discussed in the theory session, We don't know how many times we have to repeat, because how many characters we have, we don't know. So we are calling fr.read method. It will return the character that we are storing into ch until it is not equals to -1. We are printing the characters. If you write system.out.println, let me show you. Ch println means we'll send the control to next line every time, and it is printing ASCII values like this. Suppose if you write print, side by side will print, but of course all ASCII characters will print. So here we need to convert each integer into character type. Then, right, from which file you are reading, right, whatever the file, right, whatever the data which is present in the file, so will display on the screen. So this is how we are displaying the information on the screen. Hope you understood. Please write the code and check the output in your system using any IDE like Edit Plus, Eclipse, IntelliJ, NetBeans, anything you can use. Just check the output. Hope you understood. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.